Hello friends, hope all is well. In today's class, we are going to discuss in details about the book list and resources that are very much needed to pass the UPSC or IAS examination, both prelims and mains. As we all know that for UPSC exam, there are three stages: preliminary exam, main exam and interview. For preliminary exam, there are two papers, paper 1 general studies and paper 2 CSET. And for paper 1, the first criteria, the first condition that a computer has to go through, that he or she must solve the previous year questions and answers first. The first criteria is that one has to go through in details, line by line, word by word, the previous year questions, that is 10 to 15 years questions. That is a primary condition. If a computer goes through in the previous year question answer, then he or she can easily understand what are the areas, what type of questions are being asked in UPSC. So this is the first criteria. And for that reason, a student can consult books on Arihant, Disha or Drishti publication. They have compiled the previous year questions and answers and given various types of notes on them. After that, the student has to go through NCERT books from class 6 to 12. Then Lucent's General Knowledge or Tarun Goyal's General Knowledge. These are sufficient books for paper 1 or general studies. For paper 2 CSET, the same condition. Student has first to go through the previous year or past year's questions and answers. And the books like Arihant, Drishti, Disha, these are the books which have collected the previous year questions and answers them. And also one can consult a book by Tata McGraw-Hill. And for descriptive English or for passage, one can consult descriptive English by Thakur and Rawat. For mathematics, quantitative aptitude by S. Chand and R. S. Agarwal. And for reasoning or mental ability, one can consult a new approach to reasoning by Arihant publication. So these are the main books and areas that have to be consulted to pass the preliminary exam paper 1 and 2. After going through the materials and books suggested for paper 1 and 2, a student must go through some test series, some mock exams or practice. And for that purpose, one can consult Vision Materials test series or free upscmaterials.com. There they can easily get the test series or mock tests or other sources that are very much available in the net or in YouTube also, and also in the internet, and that are very helpful to pass the UPSC preliminary examination. Now mains examination, UPSC main examination. For history, a computer can consult these books. Of course, NCERT books, these are the basics. One must read NCERT books class 6 to 12, and also Spectrum books, also books by Bipin Chandra, history books by Poonam Dalal Dahiya, especially for ancient and medieval history, and Rajiv Ahir Sir's books on modern Indian history. So these are the basics books that one has to consult for history section. For polity, again NCERT books from class 11, class 12, and of course M. Lakshmikant. This is like the Bible for polity, and of course Vision IAS materials. These are sufficient for polity section. For economy, of course NCERT books class 11 and 12. Economic survey, these are the master's things. Indian economy by Ramesh Singh or Indian economy by Nitin Singhania. These are the basics books that one has to read to understand the basic things from economy and also get answers questions from these areas which are very much required and asked in UPSC main examination. For geography, again NCERT books from class 6 to 12, Mrunal notes, Atlas for maps, Geography of India by Majid Hussain, and Geography of India by Pariyar publication. For science and environment, one can consult NCERT books from class 6 to 12, and also Developments in Science and Technology, Spectrum books. For English, especially the aspirants who are not so strong in English, for them these books can be consulted. Higher English Grammar, Composition and Translation by P.K. De Sarkar, and also Descriptive English by Thakur and Rawat. For monthly magazines, one can of course consult and one must read Chronicle Monthly, CSR Competition Success Review Monthly, Pratiyogita Darpan, etc., which are leading magazines for UPSC examination. And for newspaper, the Hindu, the Indian Express, and the main focus will be on the editorials, because editorials are very much important. Others areas also has to go through, but editorials are very much important. Editorials must be read because these are these areas of utmost importance. In addition to the books and materials that have been suggested, a serious aspirant also can go through the notes and materials from Vision IAS, Sankar IAS, Srirams IAS, or other leading competitive institutions in Mukherjee Nagar or Rajendra Nagar in New Delhi. And for other areas, self-understanding or understanding current affairs and newspapers are sufficient. Hope this book list and materials will be very beneficial for the students who are preparing for IAS exam very seriously. And if one candidate, if one aspirant of IAS or UPSC, if he or she can go through these books and materials, it is sure that he or she will definitely crack the IAS examination. Okay, keep studying, keep learning. Thank you.